Completing an episode of care. Once your student has completed their episode of care, they will submit it to you for authorization. ARC will send you an email with a link similar to this one that will take you directly to their episode of care. Your student will tell you whether this is episode of care 1 or 2. Please note, in part 1, students are required to complete 1 episode of care. In part 2, they are required to complete 2 episodes of care. And also in part 3, they are required to complete 2 episodes of care. Navigate to the summative episode of care and click on the submission point. Here you will see the text that your student has entered, and you will be able to add your feedback. You need to answer the questions in the Standards of Proficiency. These questions are different for different parts. When you have read the question and you've decided whether the student has passed or not passed that Standard of Proficiency, you may click yes or no accordingly. If you decide to change your mind at this point, you can do so by clicking on the other button. In the green boxes to the right, you may enter your comments. When you have completed answering the questions and entering your comments, you may click Save and Mark as Seen. Here you have the optional comment box to leave a comment overall. Next, click OK to verify the episode of care. Once you have returned to this episode of care window, you may safely close the screen.